Myself, I am Varakshay. Today I am going to tell about force. Force is a push or a pull. It is an external cause which can change or tense an object into rest or motion position. Force can change shape of an object. Force can change direction of an object. Force can change an object to motion and rest position. There are mainly two types in force. One is contact force and another is non-contact force. There are four types in contact force. Those are normal force, tension force, muscular force and frictional force. First, muscular force. The force which is exerted by muscles is called muscular force. Next, normal force. Normal, if we keep a book on a table, the normal force is acting on the book. The gravitational force acts downwards towards the ground and the normal force upwards vertically towards the book. And next, tension force. Tension force, when a force is exerted by a string, is called tension force. For example, if we tie a rock to a string and hang to a wall, then it hangs. It is called tension force. Next, frictional force. Frictional force is a resistance force which can, if the friction moves backwards towards an object. If an object moves frontward, the friction moves backwards and it resists the object. Next, non-contact force. There are three types in non-contact force: magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. First, magnetic force. The force which is exerted by magnets. For example, if we keep two magnets nearer, if it's up unlike poles, it attracts. If are they like poles, then they will repel. This is called magnetic force. Next, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means an charged body acting on another charged body is called electrostatic force. For example, take a comb and rub it to your head, and then take a small piece of papers and keep it nearer to the papers. Then what will you observe? You will observe that papers attract to the comb. It is because of electrostatic force. Next, gravitational force. We know that usually gravitational force is everywhere in the world and every object attracts to the gravitational force. And gravitation, for example, a mango or a fruit falling on the ground. Next, finally, I conclude that force is everywhere in the world. Without force, we can't live on the world. Force is a very useful thing. Thank you. Have a nice day.